Hey socialites, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Merit's first fragrance, which is called Retrospect. So Retrospect comes in this plastic box, which I think is really nice with their signature navy blue with gold writing on the front. Once you open that up, this beautiful matte blue box is inside that has Merit embossed and raised letters on the front of it. And then it opens up to this very unique shaped bottle, you guys, that I think is so cute. This lets down, so it's sitting in like a bed. Look at this, how unique is that? So classy with the gold top. It does dent in the side of it to make it easy to handle. You pull the top off and it has a very luxurious continuous sprayer. I don't think it comes in a travel size, at least yet, but this is a 1 ounce bottle that retails for $92 on Merit's website as well as Sephora.com. So the brand did send the fragrance over to me along with this sort of like a coffee table book, which I thought was really nice, called Retrospect, named after the fragrance. And when you open it up, there's literally pages upon pages of information about the fragrance, how it was formulated, a little bit about the nose behind the fragrance, a lot of detail concerning the notes. Y'all, this was super informative. Merit is currently having their only sale of the year, 20% off site-wide. The sale is going to be going on until December the 2nd. I'll have my unique link in the description box. So let me refresh myself on the opening and give you guys what you're really here for. It's a freshie. It's categorized actually as a warm spicy, but in my opinion, I would have called it like a warm floral. That's what I get from it. On initial spray, it's almost like that, if you guys can remember like that 90s lipstick smell that's a little bit plasticky, that's what the opening gives you of this. That's the reason why it's called Retrospect. When I smelled it immediately, it took me back to a place that I could vividly remember. In my mom's bathroom where she has her vanity set up and she's putting on makeup. It gives me sort of makeup, modern grown woman type of vibes. Along with that sort of 90s lipstick type smell, I also get like warm florals and a little bit of spice in there. Now, Retrospect is one of those perfumes that constantly changes. I don't know if you guys are familiar with those type of perfumes, but this is one of them that once you spray it on your skin, it gives you one thing, and throughout the day it just sort of develops into different type of scents, and I like it more as time goes on. After about a couple of hours, it starts to settle into the skin and I just get like warm, softly sweet floral. It's not super sweet, it's just like kind of like moderately sweet, and it almost starts to become like a skin scent. Not a skin scent as in like super light, but almost like a skin scent that it becomes one with your skin. There's ambroxan and ambrette in this fragrance that a lot of fragrances have, that's almost like your skin but better type of perfume. That's what you're going to get from this. So in the top notes we have bergamot, pear, ambrette, and aldehydes. In the heart we have jasmine, rose, rosemary, violet, and orris, and those are sort of more mature smelling flowers, and that's exactly what I get from this, and it's warm. In the base notes we have vanilla, musk, and moss. This is surprisingly nice. It had to grow on me because initially when I smelled it, it's like, oh, 90s lipstick. I don't know about that. But the longer I had it on, it starts to develop into something else. It's a very fresh smell as well. So let's talk a little bit about who this fragrance is for. I think this is giving a little mature. So I would say 30s and up would gravitate towards something like this. And it's definitely a feminine perfume. This is actually a perfume that I could see being a signature scent. Retrospect is fresh, but it has a little bit of musk in the dry down. It's not like a strong overpower. It's like a smooth musk. And because of that, I could see this being a daytime or nighttime scent. This is something that you could wear to a dinner or breakfast lunch. It's one of those perfumes, and year round. When I smell it, I don't get like warm, cozy by the fireplace vibes, but it is warm. This could be a year-round perfume. It does have that warm vanilla with a little bit of musk that makes it a bit cozy, but it's a freshie as well, so you could wear it spring, summer. This is an anytime, any occasion type of perfume. When I first sprayed it, my mind instantly went to like linen sets. You remember those linen sets that were real popular last summer with the linen vests and the wide leg linen pants? That's what this smells like to me. Linen set in the summertime. It smells like sweater and jeans. It also gives me satin flowy skirt and a t-shirt. So if you could picture those outfits, picture that this gives 90s vibes. It does have decent longevity. I got about 6 hours on my skin before it started to smell sort of soft, and until I take a shower I smell it the whole time, but it's really soft to the skin about like that 6 hour or 8 hour mark. But along the way it develops into like a softly sweet, warm floral that's really, really pleasant. If you wanted it to last a little bit longer, I would honestly layer it with like a baby oil gel or something that's not really scented, because this is super layered, you guys. It's a lot going on in this perfume, and I just feel like it's magical all by itself. Retrospect is not a perfume that I recommend blind buying it, so before you pick this one up, make sure you get to your local Sephora, try it on your skin for a couple of hours and see if this is something that you vibe with. Let me know if you've tried this one already. What are your thoughts? If you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars.